Adding images allows you to brighten up your presentations. Here you'll discover how to add a new image or take a photo to add to your presentation. You'll also learn how to add captions to accompany your images. In order to use images in a Sway presentation on iOS, you'll need to have them already saved on your system. You can use images first as backgrounds for headings or titles. So if I click on the image button on this header, then this will take me to a selection of the images in my camera roll. I can then select whichever image I want to add as the background, and this will be selected and added to my header. I can also create image cards. Rather than the image forming the background, it'll be the main part of the card. So for example, if I click on media here on the left of the buttons that allow me to insert elements, then it will take me once again to a list of the things in my camera roll. Here you'll see that this list includes not only images but also videos that I have saved. I can select either one or more of these in order to add these to this card. For example, if I want to add this video as well as these two images, I can do so and then go to Done. This will add new cards with all these elements. So first the video and also the two images that I selected to add. If I want to add a caption to any of these elements, I can simply click on the element and then underneath we'll see the option to enter a caption. In this caption box, I also have the same options to make a link and to make bold as I do in the text box. If I minimize the keyboard now, I also have the option here to crop the image. I can do so by going to the crop button at the very bottom of the screen in the middle. If I press this, it will take me to a page where I'm able to choose which parts of the image I would like to make visible. They can change the size by dragging from the corners like so. If this is the selection I'd like to make, I can then go to Done, and this image will be cropped. I can also see on the top right of this screen that I have a small picture of a star. If I click on this, this will mean that this image is always emphasized in my presentation, so it will always be made to stand out. As well as adding elements that are already set